Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a highly requested update in VCarve Pro V12.5. In this video, we explore the exciting enhancements in V12.5 designed to make your workflow faster, smoother, and more powerful than ever. From upgraded efficiency tools to impactful visual improvements, this latest release is packed with features to elevate your projects. This video is tailored for existing customers who have recently upgraded to V12.5. We focus solely on the incremental updates and refinements added since the previous version, so you can quickly get up to speed on what's new without revisiting what you already know. Let's dive in. We offer a full course in VCarve Pro, featuring multiple videos designed for beginners and those looking to start a business in CNC and VCarve Pro. Enroll today and get 30% off. Don't miss this opportunity to master the essentials and take your skills to the next level.